Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. So this is again a no rush video. I usually try to upload such videos, and right here is euro dollar in front of me, but here I want to tell you something. I just recently 4 or 5 hours ago uploaded a plan for the euro dollar for the upcoming week. But in that I just explained the weekly analysis or direction, you can say, about the market. So unless I go and deep dive into these charts, that craving is not fulfilled, and I hope you understand what I want to say, right? So patiently watch the videos, and I am anyways analyzing it for myself. So I think if I share it with you and if you like it, then definitely each time I analyze it this way, I will be sharing it with you. So if you like, give me the thumbs ups as well. Without wasting further time, I cannot wait to jump into the charts of the euro US dollar especially, right? Because I see very good potential in the upcoming week. How we are going to take that position and how that position will look like, how we are going to handle then the risk to reward, everything will be explained right here. So first the analysis part I will be running, then I will be showing all of you and even to myself, because this video will be super beneficial for myself as well. Okay, so right now I am on the monthly time frame, and from Monday 9th October 2023 the market will open. So on the monthly, what I see is, I see that the monthly is bearish. See, 1 2 3, the monthly is bearish. So most of the monthly traders who take only monthly trades, I think this video they may leave it, or maybe for educational purposes you can watch it. So last month what it did is, it no doubt from 3 months it was on sell, 3 months, and it couldn't broke this structure. Let me zoom in, see, closely observe it, just like I am closely observing it, this level, right? And it needs explanation. What type of explanation? Or not explanation, I should say, it needs reading of the charts. 1 month, a rejection. Sorry for the pen calibration a little bit, it might be a little bit like what I draw, it may not seem to you that way. And here the second month, and here the third month. 3 executive months market tried to close below this, it could not, right? Since this is bearish, that's why I am discussing this support. Keep this thing in mind. Since I say that market is bearish from right here and market is closer to the support zone, that's why I'm discussing this for a sell. Now we are going to take a sell or not, that's a separate thing. Stay with me till the end, you will find out how. So a support we have 3 months, and after that the market went back up. Let me also highlight this area as well. So I want to keep things simple for myself. I think this should be the perfect area, this one. Just have a look at it. So what we have got is 3 touches, 1 2 3, and 3 consecutive months the market rallied, and then 1 touch, second touch, approximately third touch, this candle. the fourth touch, and obviously this was the decision, but can be considered as the fifth touch. So 5 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. So total 6 months of range I have. Now I will be at this stage, what I usually do is I count it, and I find if this range is approximately 500, it should, but I'm at this stage not including the tail. So excluding the tail, this is a total 532.8 pips worth of range. No, actually let me include these tails. This and this tail is a bit different thing. I will be explaining it, but from right here, excluding the wicks, just the bodies, till approximately right here. Yes, 430 pips it is. Last month the market dropped. This month is open. So rule of Forex, and note it, right? Rule of Forex. Nothing can be said about an open candle. Do you agree with me? The candle that is open, we cannot say that what it's going to do. Well, it can go. We have in history, we have seen it so many times. It can do it in 1 month. I'm not saying it will do. I'm just explaining it. It can also go there and continue. Several opportunities. So okay, this thing. Now move into the, before moving to the weekly, since now I know that this is 5-6 months rejection, and around like started all the way on 2nd January 2023, and today is like, this is 2nd October. So obviously this is now considered as an impulse leg from right here till there. Things will start to get easy for all of you to understand, and this is the monthly right here, and I want to highlight this area as well, like this. 430 pips of range it is. Why I drew this line? Stay with me. Because this candle is open, it can do this as well. At monthly, no one is sure, nobody, that what this candle is going to do, right? Maybe the market may go down, who knows? Maybe the candle can go there, maybe it can do anything, maybe it can straight come back down. Can we stop it? No. Can we predict it? I think no, keeping fundamentals aside. If you are so much into the fundamentals, then yes, you may know broader, like long-term perspective of the euro dollar, but still that also will be not 100% guaranteed. Fundamental can also change in a blink of an eye, so that's why I'm staying technical. Now moving on to the weekly. Monthly is over. Okay, weekly. What it is showing on the weekly, this level I have drew, we have got on the weekly a little bit of false breakout. Fine, we say nothing. We say okay, this may be false, this may not be false, whatever. On the weekly I have to look for two things. What are those two things? Since this is a very clean downward move, on the weekly I have to look for two things. This, and why I'm drawing it from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, around 11-12 months it was non-stop dropping on weekly. All of a sudden we have got this rejection, and a rejection from where? From the previous support. From the previous support we have got this rejection. So what's next? So the next thing is that now yes, I can assume it as an impulsive leg, right? For this plan it is so much important that I assume that this is an impulsive leg. It has a bullish candle. Now again, several confirmations right here, or several disclaimers you can say, or notes you can say. What are those? The next candle can for sure come back down like this. Nobody can say anything. Nobody can stop it, right? So 100% what I'm saying right here is, all of you know, all of you are Forex traders. 100% is nothing in Forex. But since this is a bullish candle we have, it clearly means that it is like we can assume a 61.8. Right, like this 1.09660 and 1.10, closer to that 1.10500, somewhere this zone. Extend it a little bit, and this is now on the weekly. This is the weekly. This is the first thing. And there is also one more thing about it. What is that? I want to draw your attention to that as well. Isn't it an impulsive wave as a whole? From right here, first impulsive leg a correction, second impulsive leg a correction, third impulsive leg. So this is what we call the three drives: the first, the second, and obviously the third drive. First, second drive, third drive. Isn't it complete? It is. But on higher time frames we can all, and even on lower time frames, according to Fibonacci, we can assume it. So what's next? Let's draw this thing, and we will clearly see that it has broken down its Fibonacci. From right here, let me take it like this. It has broken its Fibonacci to the bottom side. If I switch to the daily, you will clearly understand. So now we can say that okay, this story has got reset. This is what we have got, an impulsive leg. This impulsive leg has a Fibonacci. But like again, saying it with 100% guarantee will be hard for anyone. And at this particular moment, this market is showing us this. One more thing I want to draw your attention to, and what is that? This thing. Now this trend line in itself is a very separate topic. So what we have got on the weekly is a trend line. Now switch to the daily. On the daily, the things will be a little bit clear to us, right? On the daily, what we see is that we also have got a break of this structure. Don't you see this? This one. Isn't it a break of structure? Isn't it a break of structure? It is. See, an up move and a drop, which means a failure. So wherever there is a failure, it means there is a break of structure. So break of structure, market stopped right here, and from above this zone, this zone. This is 61.8 that is broken to the bottom side. If you remember, I just drew on the weekly. This is that zone. And I'm explaining the buying perspective at this particular moment and the selling as well, as per this plan. So obviously, this is a zone with us 1.08000. And no doubt market is going up there, but one thing, we obviously will need a break above, a retest, and then the continuation. So right here is a separate trading plan to be extra safe. Now what about those who pick it from right here? There is a possibility that the market can drop. How the market can drop? Let me show you. H4 is also not an ordinary what? An ordinary time frame. H4. We have one trend line that was established, and I can say is closed, is not closed. 50-50. Because even if with this tiny candle it is closed, then so on the H4 there is another nice fantastic trade opportunity. Two opportunities. The first, if market on Monday started to create giving us further rejections, it will mean that it is coming back down to take a retest. Very simple. If on Monday, Tuesday it start to gives us rejections from the level, from this level, see a broken level, a retest level, and most probably it can be another retest level. So several rejections from there, and the market you are observing cannot move much. So maybe Tuesday or maybe on Monday as well, but most probably on till Tuesday, it can be one sell opportunity towards this support, and again another buying opportunity from right here towards this zone. This will be one trade opportunity, right? This is one trade opportunity. You call it short term, you call it long term, whatever. But do you think you need to take it, this sell opportunity, if especially on the weekly we have a candle that is closed after 11-12 months? Like, no doubt it can go, but do you think selling against them, like, no doubt this sell can work well towards this bottom, no doubt. I'm not saying it cannot, but do you think having a candle on the weekly time frame like this after 11-12 months, this sell makes a sense? Right here it, and even I traded it, it created a good sense. Why? Because at that time we had, this candle was yet open, and as I said, on open candles we don't rely or take decisions. So now on Monday, even if this trade gives me a lot of profit, still I will not be in this favor, but technically it is showing me a sell. Technically it is showing me a sell. What other trade opportunity it suggests me, since we have got a rejection on the weekly? Since I'm not in favor of this, so at this stage I'm not discussing it that okay, if it drops till here, then I will be taking a buy till there and then maybe a breakout, and then, since I'm not in favor of this, but 100% I'm not sure, so if it drops then I will be saying this obviously in other video. So we have got this candle, Now let it go down, 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 down. Let it go down. No problem at all. Let it go down if it go. This is what I'm telling myself. Okay, I'm not like, this is telling myself that okay, Aftab, let it go. If it go, don't be too greedy. But when if it comes down, come back, let it go like this and observe it till there. Then yes, that's fine. Maybe then I can plan an intraday trade or something. But right now, this is not a decision area. Yes, this is a decision area for a sell, but a sell I have advised that since on that weekly we have got a break of structure on the 61.8. So this is one thing it is showing. The other fantastic opportunity trade will be once we get a break of 1.06, a retest and a straight continuation towards 1.08000. Now here luck will play a little bit role. Maybe in the upcoming week we get a break above. What that break will be, that will be on the daily time frame most probably, or at least H4. But the higher time frame breakouts play very nicely with less stop losses, though it requires a bit more patience. So like this, it's going to show the next candle we wait. If we are lucky enough, we can take a buy trade from here and it will continue back up towards 1.08000. This will be one opportunity. So to those sellers who are thinking this, no doubt it can happen, but keep in mind that on the weekly, after around 12 weeks, we have got this candle. So if you are taking a risk for this tiny much stop loss, then who am I to stop you? I'm no one to stop you. But yes, if this market go down, down, down and it reaches somewhere closer to this previous zone around Monday's lowest price right here, then we can say that yes, okay, in most of the cases we have already seen that on the weekly it closes this, the next week come down as red, it come down till here, and from the bottom people start to take buy. So this is one opportunity I have. Haven't you seen it? Even I have seen such patterns as well on the weekly. So there is, yes, one opportunity we have that we can take a buy. Now it will go in our favor or not, that's separately another thing. But if we take a buy from here and if the market start to close like this, it will mean that this level is going to be broken. So not just one trade we have got one and two trades right here, and then also very safely. So those who are thinking about this sell may miss these things. Coming to the other scenario on the H4, those were bigger ones, right? On the H4 there is one other scenario that okay, the market can once again go down and take a retest at this zone. So just as I discussed it that it will be coming back down to its lowest point, keep this 1.04349 in your mind as well, that potentially, or I should adjust this trend line a little bit. It is already way too bigger, but anyways, it can be adjusted like this. So this is the beautiful market, and on Monday and in the upcoming week, just observe it. It is going to be doing the same thing. And the odds are this will be a very odd. If the next candle come down and it is keep coming down, so it will be open. We cannot take a decision on the weekly, but on the daily, yes, if we get a break below and then a retest at 104,349, then we can plan this sell trade. So total, how many trades I have discussed with you? This is the first one right from the next week. This bottom is the second one till here, and then a breakout retest. This is the 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4 setups. 3 on buy, 1 on sell. And even you can take an idea from this that 3 sides of it are showing bullish and just one side is showing bearish. And 1.02186 is also a long-term level. So then it comes for the risk management of this particular trade. The risk management will be, for this one, a stop loss of around 300 pips. Yes, 300 pips should be enough. And a TP1 near 412 pips, TP2 near 602 pips. And even if you can manage to take this one as well, that is the bonus. So this is I wanted to explain to all of you regarding Euro US dollar. And remember to always wait for the market, right? This market is full of opportunities. And this is how I protect myself from taking wrong decisions. No doubt out there on the YouTube, most of the traders will be planning sell trades from there. But if the market has a potential to be giving you good profits, greater chances of profits, then why involving ourselves in the sell? But if we are clever enough, yes, with a stop loss of 128 pips, 128 pips can be generated. So these are all of the possibilities that I saw right now on the H4 daily, weekly, monthly. Now it's up to you how you tally your own strategy with it and how you trade it. But believe me, these are the good setups and you have to look at it like this. Thank you so much. I am getting a call. I will see you in the next video. Till then, make sure to leave a like and goodbye.